Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to stop autoplay in YouTube while scrolling. So first things first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your YouTube application. Now locate your YouTube application right here and then sign in or log into your account. Now it's easy for you to solve this problem. What you're going to do here is you have to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Click your profile here and then you should see that gear icon or settings and privacy. You have to tap on the settings or privacy or this gear icon. Click this one. Now under your settings and privacy, what you're going to do is you have to locate for the general option. Tap on the general option here. Click this one. And under general, you will see the option that says playback in feeds. So you have to click this one. Once you tap on playback in feeds, you will see here options such as the following, like always on, Wi-Fi only, or off. So basically you can select from any of this, but in order for you to stop autoplay in YouTube, you need to select the third one, which is off. So by selecting off or switching off, this disables autoplay previews while scrolling through your feed or subscription. This setting only controls autoplay while scrolling or previewing. If you also want to stop autoplay of the next video after finishing one, that's a separate toggle right next to the video player. If you encounter some problems, you have to go to your Google Play Store and then update your YouTube. And that's how to stop autoplay in YouTube while scrolling. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.